Hi, I'm Jennifer Crane with the Itsy Bitsy Book Reviewers. Pleased to share this picture book called The Know It Owl and the Axolotl by Terri Sabol. Hola, I'm Axolotl. Axolotl, I am native to Spain. Axolotl nonsense. Speaking Spanish does not mean you're from Spain. Su casa es Mexico. Your species is only found in Mexico in the freshwater. Lake Xochimilco and the surrounding waters. My name makes no sense. You make no sense. Axolotl nonsense. Your name is from the ancient Aztecs. It's believed that Xolotl, the Aztec god related to fire, lightning, and volcanoes, transformed into a salamander to prevent being killed by other gods. You're also called the Mexican salamander, the water dog, and the Mexican walking fish. Walking fish? I'd rather fly. Besides, look at my beautiful feathers. Feather-brained, more like. Axolotl nonsense. Those feather-like things attached to your body are your gills. Your gills are what make you recognizable. You're a very unique amphibian. You never live on land since you don't lose your gills. You develop lungs, but you are one of the few animals on Earth to use both gills and lungs. You can breathe through your thin skin, which is called spontaneous respiration. I don't want to grow up because I look adorable. Axolotl nonsense. Axolotls look like babies their whole lives. Since axolotls never go through metamorphosis, they never outgrow their juvenile stage. This is called enlightening. You retain your youthful characteristics such as tadpole-like dorsal fin running the length of your body, webbed feet, a tail, and those feathery external gills we just talked about. Oh, I'm like Peter Pan and I'll never grow up? Axolotl nonsense. Well, axolotl nonsense. You still look like a baby, but when you turn 1, you'll technically be an adult, and you'll have to have offspring. Female axolotls usually lay between 300 and 1,000 eggs every early spring. After the surviving eggs hatch 2 weeks later, the babies are off on their own without any help from their parents. My picture-perfect smile is the most interesting thing about me. Axolotl nonsense. You must not have lost a limb yet, just your mind. Though your smile is cute, the most fascinating thing about axolotls is that you can regrow body parts, including feet, tails, and some organs if they are injured. Regeneration of limbs without even a sear in a short amount of time makes your species very interesting to scientists. My teeth are razor sharp like the T-Rex's. Axolotl nonsense. Your baby teeth never develop. It's not a problem because you use a section method to eat your food. Axolotls are carnivores, preferring mollusks, insect larvae, crustaceans, worms, and small fish. Help axolotl reach the snail and collect 3 other types of food along the way. Then I must be at the top of the food chain. Axolotl nonsense. Axolotls used to be at the top of their food chain. Unfortunately, fish like carp, perch, and tilapia were added to your habitat. Birds like storks and herons may also eat you. Habitat loss, overfishing, and pollution have drastically affected your population. It is widely believed that there are less than 1,000 axolotls left in the wild. Shh, that's the animal that called me spineless. Axolotl nonsense. Of course you have a spine, but like most of your characteristics, it is unusual. Your skeleton is a mix of bone and cartilage. Your bone structure is unique due to your neotenic nature, so you keep a lot more flexible cartilage. Your limbs and vertebrae are more hardened and ossified, which gives you structural support. I'm no good at hide and seek. Axolotl nonsense. Like other members of the salamander family, axolotls can change their colors to a few shades lighter or darker to help camouflage themselves from predators. Colors of ocelots in the wild are usually darker brown, gray, green, or mottled. Albino ocelots are missing the darker pigments in their skin and look pinkish white, but this is very rare in nature. Spot 10 ocelots playing hide and seek apart from our axolotl. I've got to go. I told all my friends I'd meet them. Don't let me keep you. Axolotl nonsense. Axolotls are solitary animals. It is rare to see them together in a group. Axolotls aren't unfriendly, but I'm surprised you've been hanging out with me this long. I would make a great pet. Absolutely. Well, actually, that's a bit tricky. Axolotls have become very popular in recent years thanks to pop culture and video games. However, you are critically endangered in the wild. Part of this is due to your popularity as an exotic pet. People used to take ocelots from this lake or to keep or sell as pets. It is now believed that all of the pet ocelots are selectively bred for sought-after colors. It is illegal to trade ocelots across most international borders, and they are illegal to own in some U.S. states. I think you know more about ocelots than I do. That's the first correct thing you've said all day. Axolotl sense. I am the know-it-all owl, after all, and now you know more than before. Thank you for joining me.